from the same people that brought you the Roamwild Pest Off Bird Feeder. Now introducing you a new product, the Roamwild Multicutter. 3 garden tools in 1. Its unique, patent-pending drop-forged design incorporates ultra-sharp, lightweight hedge shears, a powerful bypass lopper, and a unique attaching prune saw, offering you the ultimate convenient and versatile gardening tool. Everything in one product. The Roamwild Multicutter extends to over 4 feet, allowing you to reach and prune those high-up hedges and branches. There is also no need for that dangerous pruning up a ladder. With the extending arms and unique attaching pruning saw, you can do it all by simply standing on the floor. The bypass lopper can cut thick branches, so when you are using the Roamwild Multicutter, you do not have to stop to tackle larger and thicker branches. You can simply move between the lightweight hedge shears and the bypass lopper, making easy work of any pruning task. The unique secondary red grips on the handles allow a more balanced feel to the tool when tackling finer pruning jobs. This gives you much more control and accuracy. These many features combined make the Roamwild Multicutter an incredibly versatile garden tool. It is super lightweight and really safe to use. The unique attaching pruning saw also acts as a safe blade guard to prolong the life of the blades and allows you to store the tool safely. The saw also has a clip feature to allow you to attach it to your pocket when not in use. The pruning saw attaches and detaches with a simple clip system. As with all Roamwild products, the high quality and innovative functionality of this product will not let you down, and the product is built to last. And with the Roamwild built-in warranty, you can be sure that this tool will last the test of time. The Roamwild Multicutter, the only pruning tool you need.